The city of Hoboken is floating around the idea of a new ordinance that would fine people not wearing a mask outside $250.
My experience as a mom, I'm out and about with my kids. We're at the playground, we're at the public parks. Compliance in those spaces has been very high, I would say. But then when I go out to, maybe pick out takeout in the evening or something like that, 8:30 at night, and I'm going to areas where there's, much more going out seen on Washington Street, it's really disheartening to see that the rate of people wearing masks is much lower.
A survey by City Hall asks residents a series of questions about their mask habits.
I think there's an interest in understanding, for those people who aren't wearing masks, I think the city is interested in understanding why.
Currently, under the executive order that Governor Murphy issued, it's technically mandatory to wear a mask outside. The problem is there's virtually no way for local officials to enforce it. So if this ordinance is approved, it could be a game changer.
If they know that there's a fine associated with it, that might actually be a different motivation for them to then comply.
Emily says that majority of the respondents so far are in favor of the fine.
The fine is only associated in cases where you cannot social distance. So if you're walking your dog at 6 a.m. and there's no one else on your block, you do not have to be wearing a mask.
The ordinance goes for its second reading in front of City Council Wednesday night, where they will hear the public's feedback before going to a vote. Reporting in Hoboken, Emily Young, New Jersey News Network.